Hello and welcome. This is Cheryl. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm talking to you about the new 2026 Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. This has come out every year for the last, I don't know how many years. This is 24 crafty surprises, and that includes cutting dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. And this is live today on the Spellbinders website. It's not expected to still be available by December 1st, so definitely make sure you get them while supplies last. There are 24 different windows here that you can open throughout December, one window at a time, and get your crafty surprises. Now, the great thing about this is they aren't limited to Christmas or holiday themed. They will be perfect for throughout the year. And if you see at the bottom of the picture there's a few little hints at, or little sneak peeks at what is inside. And I always love those little sneak peeks just to be able to see what's in there. This is so fun to create with. I will be starting a series starting on December 1st, opening up one window a day and showing you what's inside, plus creating with whatever is inside. So it's a really fun series to do. It's a really great way to get some crafty inspiration throughout December. And it's always fun to see the same product with different designers just to see how different people interpret it. Now, my personal videos tend to be a little bit shorter. I keep it fairly simple. I try to limit it to what is in the calendar and just add paper, ink, sometimes an embossing folder for a background. But I try to be as limited as possible with what is in the calendar and not add too much to it. It's always a fun challenge. You'll find the link to the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar for 2026 down in the description box below. You'll also likely see a few more details there right on the website. I'll be back again in December to start the videos and start the series, and you'll find all of those videos in the same playlist, so they'll be easy to find. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick and short video. I hope you have a fabulous day.